Hi, I'm Chef Joel from Recipe 30. I'm a food and travel vlogger, and I've been privileged enough to work with elite havens and stay in these beautiful villas. And of course, there's the food. In these villas, you really don't need to go to a restaurant because you've got a restaurant built in with your own private chef. And let me tell you that the chefs are highly trained and give you the best local cuisine that you can imagine. And to try whether it's Thai food, Sri Lankan food, Balinese food, to see what flavors they use. And I, as a chef, learn so much more. Plus, the food is just second to none in the quality. And what really makes it is the staff. They are so friendly, nothing's ever too much trouble, and of course, the service top rate. There's a selection of over 200 villas to choose from. You can have rural escapes or in the jungles or beachfront properties, all amazing places with big pools just like this.